Hey everyone, welcome to the Yota Xpedition YouTube channel. My name's Jared, and in this video, we're gonna break down the very important differences between sidesteps and rock sliders. What's the difference and why should you care? Because confusing these two can mean the difference between protecting your rig or crushing your rocker panel on the first trail ride. Think your sidesteps will protect your truck off-road? Think again. So what even are they? Sidesteps look great at the grocery store. Rock sliders, they save your truck on the trail. You use them to hop into your lifted truck without doing the awkward dad jump. And for a bonus, they help your grandma get in without needing an extra boost. If you have a roof rack that you use often, these can also help you reach things stored up there. Rock sliders, on the other hand, are built for abuse. These are frame-mounted bars designed specifically to take direct hits from rocks, stumps, and all the stuff you'll meet off-road. In short, sidesteps are for passenger convenience, rock sliders are for vehicle protection. Let's talk about some of the differences. One major difference is the material each is made of. Most sidesteps are made from lighter materials. Think stamped steel, aluminum, or even ABS plastic on cheaper ones. These are designed to hold just enough weight to accommodate holding you or Granny as you step into the vehicle. They are not intended to hold the entire weight of your truck slamming down on a boulder. Some may look tough and rugged, but trust me, these will fold like a lawn chair the first time they meet an off-road obstacle. Rock sliders, on the other hand, are typically made from thick-walled steel tubing, stuff that could take a hit and keep your frame rails happy and your rocker panels uncrushed. You can literally rest your truck's weight on them during a recovery. Here's another key difference: how they're mounted to your rig. Sidesteps on your Toyota will attach to the body, specifically the bottom of your rocker panel. These mounting points are specifically designed for sidesteps and are only strong enough to hold the downward weight of a person standing on them. Nothing more. Additionally, these usually hang down lower to the ground to act, as their name suggests, as a step to aid in climbing into the vehicle. Rock sliders, on the other hand, bolt directly to the frame or even get welded on in more extreme applications. It's a whole different level of strength. This is the kind of mod you want to do when wheeling anything more aggressive than a fire road. Rock sliders are also typically designed with ground clearance in mind to maximize off-road capability. So although some sliders will include a step, they're usually just for reaching the roof rack, not to help you step into the truck. As you can see on our 4Runner, we have the C4 rock sliders that also include a textured step, but they're actually just as high as the floorboards, so these aren't really going to help you climb in. Now let's talk about some of the common confusion that can come up when you're shopping for either of these. More specifically, distinguishing between steps and sliders when the look or name of the product doesn't make things perfectly clear. Adding the look of rugged rock sliders is something many people like, even if they don't really need the added protection. Because of this, some companies have started selling sidesteps that look like rock sliders and may even have a name that makes them sound like rock sliders, but they most certainly are not. Before you buy, you need to confirm these two things. Number one, does this product mount to the frame or the rocker panel? You can usually find this in the product description, but if not specifically mentioned, check the photos. When mounting to the frame, it will need to reach farther underneath the truck, making the product wider. Number two, what material are they constructed with? Many rock sliders will list the specific type of steel that's used, along with the tubing diameter and wall thickness. If you see a generic statement like durable steel construction, you may want to dig a little bit deeper. If you want to remove the confusion altogether, simply shop at YotaXpedition.com, where we have all the products conveniently separated into their proper categories for you, so you can be sure to get exactly what you need. So, with all this in mind, which is right for your truck? If the roughest terrain your truck sees is a steep driveway, you for sure don't need rock sliders. But if you like the look, there are options out there that will look awesome, but cost less and install easier than actual rock sliders. But if you're planning any real off-roading, especially on rocky terrain, investing in rock sliders is a must. They'll protect your doors, rocker panels, and in the long term, your wallet. So there you have it, sidesteps for convenience and rock sliders for carnage. No matter what you're looking for, Yota Xpedition has it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Toyota off-road content, installs, and product breakdowns. Still got questions? Drop them in the comments and let's talk Toyota. Remember, we're here to help you simplify, upgrade, and explore. So we'll see you in the next one.